Hey there, fellow visionaries. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey that will ignite your imagination and broaden your horizons, the exhilarating future of civil engineering. I'm Saketh, your guide to the extraordinary, and trust me, you won't want to miss a moment of this. A world where cities are not just urban landscapes, but vibrant ecosystems of innovation and sustainability. Our future is adorned with wonders that blend seamlessly with nature, and today, we're uncovering the marvels that civil engineering will unveil. Our journey begins with a clean, green revolution. Imagine skyscrapers clothed in shimmering solar panels, capturing sunlight and transforming it into abundant energy. Wind turbines gracefully spin on the horizon, harnessing nature's power to keep our world aglow. Hold onto your hard hats, because 3D printing is revolutionizing construction. With this groundbreaking technology, entire buildings are brought to life layer by layer. This isn't just faster, it's eco-friendly, drastically reducing construction waste and making our planet smile. Let's zoom into the future of transportation. Self-driving cars elegantly navigate the streets, erasing traffic woes. And ever heard of the Hyperloop? Picture yourself in a sleek pod, hurtling through low-pressure tubes at supersonic speeds, connecting cities like never before. It's time to step into a world of virtual wonders. Virtual reality, or VR, isn't just for gaming anymore. Imagine putting on a headset and walking through a city that doesn't exist yet. Civil engineers use VR to fine-tune designs, ensuring every bridge and every skyscraper is a masterpiece in the making. The depths of our imagination take us beneath the waves. Underwater cities, powered by innovative engineering, could be the answer to population growth and environmental protection. Imagine waking up to the serene beauty of the ocean, right outside your window. Drones, those nifty flying companions, are shaping the future of engineering. These airborne wonders inspect structures with precision, making sure bridges stand tall and buildings stand strong, all while keeping us safe from harm. Let's embrace the power of green. Vertical gardens and rooftop oases will blanket our cities, purifying the air and creating tranquil spaces amidst the urban hustle. These natural havens are a testament to our harmonious coexistence with nature. The future knocks on our doors, literally. Smart homes equipped with AI will anticipate our needs, adjusting lighting, temperature, and even ambience with a thought. It's like living in a symphony of comfort and convenience. Now, here's the most exciting part. The future needs brilliant minds like yours. Civil engineering beckons to the dreamers, the innovators, and the problem solvers. Whether it's designing sustainable water systems or crafting resilient cities, your journey starts here. So, dear Dreamweaver, you've witnessed a glimpse of the astonishing future of civil engineering. From towering solar-clad skyscrapers to underwater realms, our future is an open canvas for boundless creativity. If this journey has left you exhilarated, don't forget to show us some love. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell to stay connected to the wonders yet to unfold. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep believing, and keep building the future you envision.